In this video, let's talk about how to fix Instagram poll not showing results. So if you have added a poll and you're not being able to see the results of it, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is make sure that your activity status is turned on. In order to gather the real-time background tracking, you need to make sure that the activity status is enabled on your account. So what you can simply do is head over to these three lines on the top right. Scroll down and head over to message and story replies and make sure that the show activity status is enabled. So try this first step out and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, what you can do is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. Now, this may also be a case of sync delays or server outage. The story has gone viral and many people have added their votes or added to your poll. This may be the exact issue that you're facing. So you need to wait out at least 10 to 15 minutes before Instagram can gather your accurate data. So make sure you keep these things in mind. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.